Hello! In this episode I want to show you the build of Great Wall Hobby MiG-29 in 1/48 scale from the Polish Air Force. I start the build from the cockpit. I use resin set and photo etch parts to make the cockpit look very realistic and nice. The big task was to fit not dedicated to this kit resin engine part. The Great Wall Hobby set is very nice, but there are some things to fix. One of them is joining the parts for the air tunnel for the engines. You have to mask the canopy from both sides, outside and the inside, to make the washer, which is so characteristic for the MiG-29. I need to use just a bit of putty on this project, but like you can see, the problem was again the air tunnels for the engine. After applying all the photo parts on the model, I start the painting stage. I wasn't happy with the look of the painted model, so I decided to repaint whole model again. Like you can see, the first camo was too bright and the colors were too similar to each other. After repaint the model, the colors are spot on. Putting decals of the 303 Squadron on the model demanded a lot of patience, but I think the final result is just great. For weathering I use pre-shading technique, post-shading technique, bleaching technique. I also use washes, the clay wash and the oil wash. In the final stage of the build, I put all small parts on the model. I also built leather and engine covers from the photo etch part set. hope that you enjoyed this video. If yes, please subscribe to my channel. Take care and see you in the next one.